Hi everyone, my name's Rell and welcome to my channel, Rell's Art and Craft Studio. Thank you so much for joining me today for this resin art tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how I do some simple resin pouring using only about 3 or 4 colours. I used 4 13-inch MDF placemats that I actually purchased from K-Mart, and they're only about $3 each, so I thought they were really affordable. They're perfect size for either a small wall hanging, or you could even use them for clocks just by drilling a hole in the middle once you finish, just for the clock mechanism. So all the products that I've used are listed in the description box below, so have a look and see if you're interested in any of those colours. And just a shout out to a friend of mine, Kim Gow, who owns Kim Gow's Art Studio over in Perth in Australia, and I actually purchased all of my resin and pigments from her, and she's an amazing artist and has some great stuff in her own store that she sells, and she also does some little workshops from her studio as well. So make sure you check out the link below, and if you're in Australia and you're looking for some great prices on resins and some pigments, and you know, the majority of the stuff that she sells is also Australian owned. So as I said, make sure you go and check out the link below and have a look at the products that she sells. So I really do hope you all enjoy the video. And if you do, don't forget, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. You can also follow me on my Facebook or on my Instagram page as well. And stay tuned actually for the end of the video. I've got a sneak peek on what I'm going to do for my next video, hopefully posting up next week. So stay tuned for that one as well. So thanks again. Bye for now. promised, this is a little project I've been working on this week, and I'm going to have the video hopefully edited and posted and up for you next week. So stay tuned for that one. And again, thank you so much for watching and tuning into my channel.